Hello, dear students. My name is Jinky and Rembam, and welcome back to my official YouTube channel, Free to Learn. And today we are going to do a very important topic, which is known as quadratic equation. And the maximum mark which asks in the examination from this topic is 5 marks. Maximum mark is 5 marks. Okay, and these are the questions which I pick up has been asked in the previous year questions, and I have mixed up the questions with the mock test questions also. So let's get started with our first question. And the question is x square minus 12x plus 35 equals to 0, and the second equation is y square minus 9y plus 20 equals to 0. So particularly in these questions, the question asked in examinations will be like, from the equations there will be two equations given, and according to the questions we have to find the roots. We have to find the roots of these equations, and we also have to find the roots of from these equations also, and we have to compare the roots, and we have to compare them. Okay, and I will in the previous videos also I have told about the sign rules, but in this video also I will also explain this sign rule. And sign rule plays a very crucial role in solving these questions. So if the signs in the equations is given as plus plus, then we will get the sign of the roots will be minus minus. And if we if we get the signs of the equation is minus plus, then we will get the roots. Sign of the roots will be plus plus, and plus minus will be minus plus, and minus minus will be plus minus. All right, these are the sign rules. So according to these signs we will find the signs of the roots. Okay, let's get started with the question number 1. It is given that in the equation we know that it is minus plus, then minus plus means the sign of the roots will be plus plus. And in this equation it is given minus plus minus plus, then it will be plus plus. So to find the root we have to get two numbers. When we multiply them we will get 35, and when we will add them we will get 12, and the two number will be 7 and 5. All right, and we have to find number which when we multiply them we will get 20, and when we add them we will get 9. So the answer will be 5 and 4. So when we compare 7 and 5, then it will be greater sign, and 7 and 4 then we will get greater sign, right? And if we compare 5 and 5, it will be equals to, and 5 and 4 will be equal greater than. So the answer will be x is greater than equals to y. The answer will be like this. This is the answer. So moving to the next question, we have minus plus, right? Minus plus and then minus plus. So the sign of the roots will be plus plus for this equation, and minus plus will be plus plus. And when we multiply 8 and 3 we get 24. So we have to find those two number. When we multiply we get 24, and when we add we get 10. All right, if we multiply we have to get the answer of 24, and when we add we have to get the answer of 10. So the answer will be So the two number will be something like 6 and 4, right? 6 and 4 will be the two number. When we multiply, we get 24, and when we add, we get 10. But there is coefficient 3, so we will divide by 3. 3 means 2. So the two roots will be plus 2 and plus 4 by 3. And for these equations also, when we multiply 3 into 2, we get 6. So we have to find two number. When we multiply, we have to get 6, and when we add, we have to get 5 plus 5, because this is 5, right? So the answer will be so the answer will be 3 and 6. 3 and 6. No. 3 and 2, because when we multiply 3 and 2, we get 6, and when we add, we get 5. 3 plus 3 and plus 2, but there is coefficient of 3, so the by 3 by 3 1. So we get the root. 2 root is plus 1 and plus 2 by 3. So by comparing plus 2 and plus 1, plus 2 is greater, so the sign will be like this. And when we compare plus 2 and plus 2 by 3, 2 is also greater. And when we compare plus 4 by 3 and plus 1, we get 4 by 3 is greater than plus 1, so the sign will remain like this, greater than sign. And when we compare 4 plus 4 by 3 with 2 by 3, then the sign will remain greater than. So the x will also always greater than y. So the answer will come up like this: x is greater than y.